So, it's the cheap HDMI cable from eBay capable for 4K video. Watch the test. I needed a cheap and braided HDMI cable for my Ultra HD LG television, so I can hook up my laptop and watch 4K video. After seeing that retailers offer various HDMI cables and high-speed HDMI cables from 20 to 30 bucks, I looked up on the eBay and found a braided 16 feet or 5 meter cable for only 5 bucks. Today it came in a flimsy cheap plastic bag. The cable came with the protective plastic caps on each side of HDMI connectors. The cable have the spec of HDMI 1.4, and in order for an HDMI cable to be considered high speed, it must be able to pass the 4K ratio and 30 frames per second. This means that even the cheapest cable can pass the maximum resolution possible with the current generation of Ultra HD 4K televisions. Since the 4K 30 frames per second ratio is the maximum in the current HDMI spec, doesn't matter if you have a cable that's capable 10 times of that. The sending and the receiving chips in the source of the TV respectively are only capable of 4K, so you could set the PC to 1 million pixel resolution, and even if the cable could support that bandwidth, the video card HDMI output chip couldn't output it, and the display HDMI input chip couldn't accept it. All of that mentioned, I will try to put the theory in practice. Took the cable and hooked up my HDMI output from the laptop. This is the prepared 4K resolution video that will be shown on the TV if all goes good and if the cable is capable. From the theory said before, let's see it now. Hook the new HDMI cable and the other side to the LG television. I hooked up on the ARC port. Okay, it doesn't matter. It has 3 ports. It says 4K 60 Hz. This is the cable all the way down to the laptop. It's an NV laptop. And now you can see the video streaming over the HDMI cable to my television. Okay, let's see now if it works. I will say yes, it's working really nice. The video plays, yeah, really fluently. You can see here it's a 4K video streaming to my Ultra HD television. It's working, and it seems that it's not delayed or something. It's not delaying at all. It's a bright picture, and it shows that the cheap cable can perform very well for an 4K input. So don't waste your money in expensive HDMI cable that are not worth it. This cable was only 5 bucks and it's working great. This doesn't mean that all cheap cable will work, but most of them yes. Watch for the 1.4 version. The specs are in the description of the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe.